हम लोगों ने सोसाइटी के अंदर डीजे अपार्टमेंट सेक्टर 13 द्वारका अपना पूरा प्रिपरेशन किया है टू कॉम्बैट कोरोना, और एक्सेप्ट वेंटिलेटर till the stage of ventilator we are well equipped with everything. We have three medical practitioners, three doctors in the society, so everything is basically arranged in their guidance, whatever they guided, or they have volunteered to help in case of any emergency. So जितना भी कोरोना पेशेंट्स है उनका एक्सट्रीम जो रिक्वायरमेंट होता है, पेशेंट की कंडीशन थोड़ा सा डिटोरिएट करती है तो ऑक्सीजन लेवल मेंटेन करने के लिए, सो दैट इज़ आवर प्रायोरिटी. तो एक एक चीज़, कॉटन रोल से लेके इंजेक्शन सिरिंज एंड सेलाइन बॉटल्स एंड एवरीथिंग वी हैव बॉट, एंड आई विल शो यू व्हाट ऑल वी हैव. वी हैव स्टॉक ऑफ पीपी किट्स, we have face shield, we have sanitizer, stock of face masks, gloves, and one important equipment is pulse oximeter. We have more than one, we have 2-3 pulse oximeters. आपका जो पेशेंट है वो इससे अपना पल्स रेट एंड ऑक्सीजन लेवल मॉनिटर कर सकते हैं. Then for giving saline, all cannula and all that was required, injections and medicines as prescribed by doctor, syringes, saline bottles, latex gloves, oxygen mask in fact, and this is our oxygen concentrator जो कि constant oxygen supply दे सकता है. And for emergency we have 3 cylinders, 2 with oxygen cylinders type B, 2 with fitments, and 1 you can see as a backup. So we are ready with all the medical requirements, all the medical kit and equipments in our society in DJ Apartments sector 13 Dwarka, and we will just go through a demo. Dr. Bhatti will give us a demo that how these equipments will be used in emergency. Although we have 3 doctors in the society, they all will be available. One of them will be available at least 24 hours. So, but we also want to have a little bit of knowledge, so how to operate in emergency. When we talked to the doctor, he was saying that we are well equipped like any corona care center, in fact better than them. So let's see, we'll go through the demo.
This is flow meter. इस पे आपकी मार्किंग्स बनी हुई हैं 1 लीटर 2 लीटर 3 5 7 8 टिल 15 लीटर्स पर मिनट तक इट कैन डिलीवर द ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है, ये मैक्सिमम इसका फ्लो है. जैसे इसमें और इसमें फ़र्क यही है कि इट इज़ गोइंग टू डिलीवर 5 लीटर पर मिनट मैक्सिमम. और दैट टू आपका जो कंसनट्रेशन है 90-92% है. इसमें है कि यू कैन गिव फ्लो अप टू 15 लीटर पर एंड कंसंट्रेशन इज ऑलमोस्ट वट एवर द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द पेशेंट इज. वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2 लीटर पर मिनट ऑलमोस्ट, जो हमारे कोविड पेशेंट्स में रिक्वायरमेंट है. जैसे जैसे सेचुरेशन अगर मेंटेन नहीं करें तो कीप ऑन द फ्लो, बट ऑप्टिमल फ्लो में मेंटेन करना, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं देना. जितने पे पेशेंट इज मेंटेनिंग मोर देन 90% सेचुरेशन, उतने तक हमने मेंटेन करना है. Otherwise, उसके access to oxygen हो.
What is the saturation level? What is the minimum saturation level?
So the reason behind that thing is कि जो arteries हैं, जो blood vessels हैं, वो constrict कर जाती हैं. तो those blood vessels are not able to supply enough oxygen to the peripheral parts of the body. So वो oxygen नहीं पहुंच रही है तो वो
जो है 70% पे आ जाता है. जैसे नॉर्थ में हम लोग कर रहे थे ना कि 50%.
अगर आपका saturation 90 से नीचे जाएगा, तो you will start feeling respiratory difficulty. आपको अनइजीनेस फील होगी, आपको लगेगा मेरी घुटन हो रही है, सांस नहीं आ रहा है.
तो 90 से अगर नीचे जाता है then you require assistance.
हाँ, then you require assistance.
Okay.
In those cases we have to provide.
हमारा ये normal healthy human,
हाँ,
like anybody, it should be around 96, 97,
96, 97, 98,
98, 99.
ये normal healthy case.
Normal. So
But जैसे
when does the concern
भूमि
start?
का मैं-
हमारा भी कम रहता है, हमेशा 90 से लगाना पड़ेगा.
Yes, yes.
So initially we to start with 3
2
liters.
to 3 liters is more.
ये कहाँ से पता लगेगा डॉक्टर साहब?
ये फ्लो आ रहा है दिस वे यू कैन कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग. अभी जैसे 4 लीटर पे मैंने किया तो उनकी सैचुरेशन ये भी हम 4 लीटर मैक्सिमम 5 लीटर पे ज़्यादा 5 लीटर ग्राम से
98 से शुरू हुआ है।
तो
So डॉक्टर साहब ये हमारा ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर भी वो फंक्शनल है?
फंक्शनिंग प्रॉपर्ली.
ओके.
फ्लो आ रहा है पूरा. दिस इज ऑक्सीजन विच इज कमिंग थ्रू.
और ये ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर इज आल्सो फंक्शनल.
Gone up to 102.
102 क्या चीज सैचुरेशन ना ना ठीक है मैं स्विच ऑफ कर देता हूँ.
जी को देखिए ये बंद करने के बाद कैसे डिक्रीज
So this concentrator should be our first preference to.
We should use this as our first line of treatment.
Okay.
And the cylinders should be backup because इसको रिप्लेनिश करने की जरूरत नहीं. ये हमें फिर करना है तो वो हमें एजेंडा रखना है. और इन केस अगर ये माल फंक्शन करता है देन वी विल शिफ्ट ऑन टू द सिलेंडर्स. और ये है कि अगर 2 से पेशेंट ज़्यादा आ जाते हैं 1 से ज़्यादा तो देन इन बोथ द केसेस एक में वी कैन यूज ऑक्सीजन कंसंट्रेटर अनदर वी कैन here to a COVID patient, we have double protection. First layer of protection is N95 mask, and over and above that we use the surgical mask. इसको नीचे करो. Ideally, the breathing and doffing area should be separate because doffing, you are doffing the infected waste, infected material. तो वो उसको बिल्कुल अलग से segregated room में होता है. And in that room, no one should enter.
Okay.
And after
Doctor,
doffing,
now how to take it off? क्या क्या?
exact जो sequence है, it is opposite. What I told him, उसके
ये क्या है? There is other person who is already with them, right? So हम hypochlorite to spray करते हैं. If we spray hypochlorite on this, then
no, that is not effective because there are a lot of previous folds,
okay,
so that is not going to sanitize.
okay. That's not going to.
हाँ, वो that is not because एकदम to washing and जो दूसरा fresh clothes है वो आप you take the shower and then wear those fresh clothes and come out. That's all.
So डॉक्टर साहब सबसे पहली बात तो ये बताइए हाउ इक्विप्ड वी आर हमारी सोसाइटी या आपकी सोसाइटी.
Our society is actually well equipped to handle any cases of mild to moderate COVID patients having symptoms.
डॉक्टर साहब ये बहुत सा RWAs और सोसाइटीज कंडोमिनियम्स वो ये सारे इक्विपमेंट खरीद रहे हैं. कुछ लोग तो दे हैव गॉन टू एक्सटेंड टू बाय ventilators also, but suppose many people are buying concentrator, oxygen concentrator, cylinders. So इसका कब जरूरत पड़ता है सर? कितने cases, कितना % में?
See, the oxygen concentrators or oxygen cylinders which we have bought to provide primary care to the patients. So they will come handy or they will come and rescue us in case a patient develops mild respiratory symptoms or distress. And suppose that patient is not getting beds in any government hospital or any private setup and there is crisis. And till that time the patient gets some bed or ICU care in the hospital. At that point of time we can provide the primary treatment till his saturation maintains more than 90%. If patient starts developing respiratory distress and his saturation goes below 90, then patient will have some kind of respiratory difficulty and he will complain of dyspnea and respiratory distress. At that point of time, we can use the oxygen concentrator to provide extra oxygen to the patient, and we can also provide oxygen through the oxygen cylinders which we have. So these are the things, and we can keep on monitoring the oxygen saturation of the patient with the help of pulse oximeter.
डॉक्टर साहब ये देखिए, ये सब खरीदना तो एक चीज़ है, फिर इसको यूज़ करना ही सेकंड स्टेप है।
Yes.
तो सपोज किसी को इमरजेंसी हो गया तो उनके पास फ्लैट में, हमारी सोसाइटी में फ्लैट में जाने के लिए डॉक्टर या मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर प्लस गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड, अगर हम लोग ये कहते हैं कि देखिए हमारे पास बेड भी है, क्वारंटाइन होम क्वारंटाइन हो गए हैं, ऑक्सीजन का फैसिलिटी भी है, कैन यू कम एंड चेक, तो कोई ऐसा गवर्नमेंट फैसिलिटी दे रहा है?
See, government is providing the home care for quarantine to only those patients who are having mild symptoms.
ओके,
If the patient develops moderate to severe symptoms, then patient absolutely requires hospital care. So in that case, I think the best thing is that you should shift the patient to nearest hospital which is providing an ICU care or a tertiary care. And in that kind of situation, patient should not stay at home.
ओके,
So this is only to handle the crisis situation till the time patient is shifted to the hospital, or patient is having some mild respiratory distress and having mild symptoms. At that kind of time, we can give the care with all these kind of equipments which we have.
तो ऐसे सोसाइटीज़ में या RWAs में डॉक्टर साहब, अगर जो आजकल प्रॉब्लम है कि हॉस्पिटल बेड्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं, हॉस्पिटल में जगह नहीं अवेलेबल है, और वो रास्ते में ही बहुत से पेशेंट क्रिटिकल कंडीशन में आ जाते हैं, तो उनके लिए ये सारा जो सेटअप है दैट इज़ मोर देन सफिशिएंट आई थिंक।
This is more than I should not say that this is more than sufficient, but we can use these things for the gap till the patient reaches the hospital.
Yes. So how long can be the gap? Suppose he gets bed in a day. Can
Beds have increased significantly, now in last week, I believe. But still they are finding quite difficult. So that time these facilities can really save the life, like he told me that crisis
So
time.
whatever setup which we have created, if, as Dr. Saab has told, if that kind of situation arises, so we have a backup of at least 24 to 48 hours.
okay.
So at least for that period, we can provide the supportive care to the patient, and we can maintain the patient saturation level, and we can give the rescue
And I will
things.
do it.
And IV fluids, we have also IV fluids, we can provide
Because
proper
we need
dehydration.
two things, hydration and proper oxygen level.
Even we have kept certain injectable drugs also.
Yes.
So we can provide that kind of care at least for 24 to 48 hours to the patient till the patient finds a bed in a hospital. So we are well equipped for that.
I think that's a great saving grace. 24 to 48 hours is a big relief. I guess somebody will find at least a bed in 24 to 48 hours, somewhere at least. They will go.
Having mild symptoms, and the patient is going towards the moderate level of symptoms, and patient is not finding the bed. For 24 to 48 hours, we can manage the patient. Done.
So this, like for all this oxygen cylinders and everything will be required when the patient is going to the worst situation.
If patient is going towards the moderate level of symptoms, then we need the oxygen cylinders and we need the oxygen concentrator. If patient is just having mild symptoms, he doesn't need anything, just supporting.
So if it is in our society, it will take hardly 5 minutes to reach to whatever limit
आपका
is.
ऑक्सीजन लेवल अगर 90 से नीचे जा रहा है then
हाँ.
only we
That means
need
patient
these
is-
all these things.
Yes,
Otherwise तो हमें कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
If saturation
Even
level
if
is
it is
going below
coming like
90, then that is patient
92%.
has gone into the moderate level of symptoms has developed, and patient needs oxygen support, and further level of treatment has to be done.
Like when it is falling now, you get an idea it's falling.
It's
94,
falling.
93, 92, 91. So somebody will at least bring the cylinder from here. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes. But reaching hospital will take more than that. So that is very.
So this will be a first aid to the patient.
Yes,
Yes,
because even
We
the
can also.
even in the hospital they will do the same thing. They will put oxygen.
Oxygen.
And if fluid is problem, they will put fluid. So we have already arrived, and I think I have not seen.
Because in this kind of pandemic situation, if suppose patient doesn't get an ambulance, and we carry the patient in our own vehicle, so at least we have a portable oxygen cylinder to carry inside the car, and we can keep on continuing giving the oxygen to the patient till he finds a bed.
Anything can happen.
Yes. So So
Timing is very
that way we have prepared ourselves so that we land up in that kind of crisis. So we are able to provide the patient a primary care as well as some level of secondary care to the patient until he finds the bed, and we will be able to save a precious.
ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना कि 48 आवर्स के बाद भी बेड ना मिले, मतलब जिस
Now,
तरह का
now the
क्राइसिस
situation
नजर आ रहा है.
so now bed has really increased, but patient has also increased.
They have also linked the major
Hotels
five-star hotels.
भी जो
Hotels
है
they have
उनको
linked.
भी तो कन्वर्ट
Yes,
कर रहे
yes,
हैं.
yes. ITC Welcome is linked with the Manipal Hospital.
हाँ.
Venkateshwar is linked with some hospital in Nehru City. Taj is also linked with some hospital.
I'm saying, let's say with Venkateshwar Hospital,
Yes.
Welcome Hotel is attached, right?
Okay.
So it is that now Venkateshwar will decide who will go to the hotel and who will remain in the hospital.
Yes, yes,
If there is something happens in the
depending upon the
hotel,
symptoms.
they know that this patient is ours, we'll bring it back to
Yeah,
Venkateshwar.
one doctor will visit.
Depending
One
upon the
thing is
seriousness,
yes, one thing is clear that only the patients having mild symptoms will be shifted to the hotel.
Yeah, absolutely.
And they will be kept under supervision.
Do you have any idea of the charges?
These four major private hospitals.
Bensup is there.
No, Bensups is only a COVID testing center. It is not running as a hospital.
It's not running.
It is taken over by the government to have a lab.
The problem is that now you never know which hospital you went to one hospital. You saw on the internet and you went there and suddenly they says nothing.
No.
You are saying the internet is saying this. Then you will waste your time. So this is what happening. Exactly if things are updated.
So everybody had a good discussion with Dr. Suresh Bhati and Dr. Nikhilesh. All the advices are available on the internet these days, but nothing like having one-to-one interaction, because there were so many questions in everybody's mind. An idea behind having these medical emergency facilities in a society is not to run a medical center or a medical care center in the society. The idea behind is to have the facility for the crucial time, for the emergency, because nowadays many of the COVID positive patients are being advised to recover at home, and in societies these patients are recovering at home, but there are cases when your condition goes from mild symptoms from mild to moderate. And that point of time, families start looking for a bed in the hospital when condition of the patient is deteriorating. At that time, what you need is oxygen to make him stable, make his condition stable. So we are having these facilities in the society, that somebody should not rush to a hospital in emergency. Nobody should waste crucial time on the roads looking for the bed. At that time, we can provide oxygen to the patient in his flat. Doctors can have PP kit and everything, every safety gear is there. They can go to the flat and give him the required treatment, because we have in-house 3 doctors. And even when patient is being transferred to the hospital, we have oxygen cylinders so that the oxygen level can be maintained, saturation level can be maintained. One can carry the oxygen cylinders in the vehicle, and whenever they get a bed in the hospital, so patient is stable, patient is out of danger till he reaches the hospital in the care of the doctors. So a COVID patient who is recovering at home with mild or moderate symptom should not worry that if his situation deteriorates and he do not get bed in time in a hospital, what will happen to him. So he should be a bit relaxed with the present facilities in the society for at least 24 to 48 hours. Although most of the COVID positive patients who are advised by the health department for home quarantine are recovering within 7 to 14 days on their own by following the line of treatment. So take all the precautions, stay home, stay safe, and don't worry about the emergency facilities. We have all the assistance at home. Thank you.